Hello, Shell.
Hello, Zolf. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Good. Welcome back again to our channel, guys. Today we will talk about the 6 steps, right?
Again, we will repeat the 6
Yes.
steps and go into more details.
Okay, so we will start with step number 1, and we will show you how it actually works within Helision, right?
Yes. Just
Cool.
to show.
So, just for the repetition, Shell, what was those 6 steps that we were talking about?
Well, the 6 steps was really, we start broadly by framing the objective with the decision as we are going to take. And once we've done that, we need to do some sort of reality check and see what alternatives realistically we have. And then we will look into who is going to be involved in its decision and so on. And then we will look into what possible risks there could be in the decision. Then we need to rank how we're going to evaluate these various options with the criterias, and then with the results, the evaluation, and also we need to rethink, do we need to involve more stakeholders? Okay. So that's about this quick repetition. So what about now the framing? How important is the framing? What
why do we talk about that?
Yes.
Good. Well, actually, the thing is that normally we start a project right away, particularly the doers, and not taking the time to think it over. Why do we do things and how are we going to roll it out, right? So the first step number 1 is basically talking about
what we want to do, and I would recommend that we take this step very broadly. What do we really want to achieve? And this can be sort of unrealistic as well, because we better have the full palette when we frame the decision or the options or alternatives we have. So this should really be free thoughts. But I think that we can already here start to document what we are talking about using Helision, because now if we have one place where we store all the documentation, one place where the user can go and find how did we think when we started this process?
Yeah,
so I think that's why it is quite good to go in and already here, we could start to do the documentation. So why don't you start a project there?
Good.
We could,
so this is basically the software called Helision, right?
That's correct. And what we do, we start to create a new project.
Okay.
And we need here also there are various types of decisions, but we could select the general decision, and then we can move in, and all of it can also upload a picture, and all of a sudden, if you just move to the next one there, so we have this demo project. Very nice.
All right. So
now we can open this, and when we open this demo project, we will see we just has a starting node for the project, but already here we can start to add something, and that we will use the right hand corner of Helision, and we add a description of the problem. What are we thinking? Good. I think you can do it.
Okay, so here we are. Here we actually put in some description. I can see that we have not very long place, so we have 1000 characters, but that is basically enough to describe the main objectives of a project or what we are talking about, no? Because all the other details and content can be added in the links.
So we yes, by using a link, and we can copy paste a link there, for example, to be used.
Yes.
And here you can have an unlimited number of links.
We have to give it a name, which was statistics.
Yeah, for example. Yeah. Now we are trying actually to build a model for the COVID, to handling the COVID disease in Romania.
Okay.
And here we have now added a link to some general statistics about that.
What kind of links can be added here?
Well, you can have local links, you can have links to pictures, videos, whatever you want to. So this is actually a way to start to document the decisions as you want to have. And that's actually, this is very easy. This is a step number 1.
Exactly.
We are trying to do, and you can collect all the colleagues. You can go in and have a look, and do you have anything more that we need to take into consideration? And that's actually what we talk about when we talk about framing. So now we have a general idea what are the objectives, what do we want to achieve in this decision. And this is actually the first step.
Very good.
And we also showed how to do this in Helision. So,
okay.
thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.